How to put iPhone in standby mode. To get started, go ahead and open up the Settings application on your phone. Once you're here, scroll down and tap on Standby. iPhone Standby Mode turns your iPhone into a smart display when charging in landscape orientation. It offers various uses, including displaying a clock, photos, widgets, and live activities, all while minimizing distractions and conserving power. On this page, turn on the standby feature as shown. Now, you can also manage the other standby settings below, such as display and notifications. Note that critical notifications will still be shown in standby even if the show notification switches off. Following these steps, you can easily put iPhone in standby mode. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.